About Samya TV channel baseless allegations. With regard to recent baseless and malicious allegations against Paramahamsa Nityananda and Hotel Sarovar, the following clarifications were aired live internationally.
One local channel in Karnataka, nobody knows the name of that channel. It's not seen by people. I think its name is Samaya. Very few people know the name of the channel. But just to get TRP, they started spreading lies, saying that I've instructed this hotel not to allow any people from Karnataka to stay here. It's a complete lie. It's a false statement. And I wanted to make it very clear to the people of Karnataka. I love Karnataka and I love people of Karnataka. Neither me nor my representatives made any of these kind of statements like don't allow Karnataka people to in this hotel to stay and all. We never made any statement to the hotel in any form. Today the hotel itself is releasing official press statement that they never received any of this kind of instruction from Swamiji or Swamiji's representatives. And we have also sent a letter to Chief Minister to explaining the truth, and we have also sent a request to Chief Minister to save us from this kind of abusal, spreading lies, rumors. It's actually a typical case how small time channels which does not have any TRP, just to get TRP, create lies, rumors and abuse. So today we are also sending the press release by the hotel officially and the letter to Chief Minister from the hotel officially to Karnataka Chief Minister that whatever Samaya TV is telling is a lie and it's a rumor just to abuse us, keep us in the fear mode. All they are trying to do is that only. Constantly trying to keep us in the fear mode, crisis mode, so that we will be running around fighting the fire. We will not be able to do any good spiritual work. That is their motto. That is their motive. But we will do our spiritual work. So we made it very clear. We don't have any barriers based on religion, language, nothing. We are open to all human beings. We are open to everyone.
Good morning, everyone. It's very disheartening to know the statement which is made by some channels in Karnataka, which is Samaya TV, I believe. But let me put in this way that what I came to know was since there has been a program on local Kannada channel, which is Samaya TV, I came to know, saying that Nityananda Swamiji made a statement against Karnadigas, saying Karnadigas should not be given an accommodation at Ambrosia Sarva Portico Hotel, Haridwar. Let me tell you, Swamiji also staying and guest, and we are very proud to have a Swamiji in our hotel. And we also welcome everybody whoever comes and stays in our hotel. There is no foundation, there is no such a religion, stopism or kind of thing. We welcome everyone to stay in our hotel because everybody is guest for me. And as a guest, everybody is my God, because they are paying the salary of my people, they are paying the food for my people, and our parents, our families, and our everybody is staying dependent on our salary. So we do not stop anyone to come and stay in a hotel. I personally, as a general manager of this hotel, Brajesh Gupta, would like to state that the channel is making, if the channel is making such a statement, which is very wrong and very disheartening. No such a statement have been made either by Swamiji or any of his representatives to the hotel. His program and satsang have been open for all. And I can see local people also coming and calling, and they are attending the program. So there is no foundation, there is no boundaries for anyone. We are not stopping anyone, neither hotel nor satsang people. And I have had the good fortune to attending few satsang personally and felt greatly enriched. Very honest. In fact, some of my colleagues are very enlightened, you can say. They are very feeling very comfortable, you can say. Especially a couple of my HODs are also part of everyday satsang, which is morning 7 to 8. It's our pleasure to host Swamiji and have such a world-class spiritual program in our premises, so that the spirituality in the premises again brings the goodness of this hotel, the good future for this hotel, and for the people of Haridwar and the place of the Haridwar. Swamiji and his message is all inclusive and welcoming, uniting everyone. It is not that dividing and